Hello, in this tutorial, we'll be learning how to batch update inventory items. So let's head towards the inventory tab. So as you can see in the inventory tab, there are three buttons on top here. Each button has its own purpose. So let's first start with the basic button, that is the reset stock. As you can see, each and every inventory item has a different stock, that is either 50, 41, 10, 5 and so on. So if in case I want to reset the stock of all these items, I can do so it manually like this. For example, for this the maximum stock is 50. So I can add 50 here, then 100 here, then 100 here. That is the maximum stock of this item. But this would be really inefficient if I completely go and update it each and every item individually. So it would be better that I use this reset stock button. What this button basically does is, for every item there is a maximum stock. For this item it is 100, here 100, for this item it is 420 and so on. So when you click on reset stock, it resets the stock for all the inventory items. So for example, now it's asking me if I want to reset the stock values to their maximum value. And once I click on yes and confirm it, it resets the stock for all the inventory items. As you can see, all the inventory item stock has been set to the maximum stock. This is for resetting the stock at the start of the day when you're opening the restaurant. So coming to the next feature, as we discussed in the first tutorial, that is updating every single inventory item separately, we can also batch update inventory items. For example, I set the price of it to 250, then the price of it to 350, and the price of it to 400. So now I can either single update these items, but this is not efficient. So for this purpose, I can just tick this one by one. And as you can see, this highlight has been changed to 3. So I can just click on this and it will ask a confirmation that if I want to batch update these values. And once I confirm this, their prices are updated automatically in batch and these are reflected instantly. And to batch update, instead of selecting single, I can also select the entire category like this by clicking on select all, and it will select the entire category. And here I can select the individual item, edit them, and then directly batch update them. As for adding the item, we will create a separate tutorial specifically for adding an item to the inventory. So watch the next tutorial to add an inventory item.